Hey you guys, this is Shifa Motion from Sassy Ship Sales, and today we are here with Tata Click Brand Slam Sale. I cannot wait to announce the winner and show them to you that who is the special person that has won a complete makeover by me choosing the products from Tata Click's website. As the Brand Slam Sale is on and they have some international and national brands that you can get your hands on, and I'm so excited. As you can see, I picked out two of my most favorite brands and I got some of the most trendiest numbers and pieces from Tata Click's website. I'm wearing a teal gown by Global Daisy. It's a beautiful hand embroidered piece and I like the fit. I like the flowy look of the gown, and it comes with the side slits. So easy peasy, easy going. It would be completely your comfort wear for an outdoor or daily easygoing number for any movie dates or your brunches with your girls. It's a perfect day number. I also picked up a wallet sling by High Design. It's a tan wallet sling, and what I like about it is it comes with detachable belts, so you can either just carry it like a clutch or a wallet or sling it at your convenience. And the footwear that I've opted for are embroidered and with Zirconi work, very Indian, to go with my boho look that I created today. And the footwear I picked up from Westside, and all this I shopped from the Brand Slam Sale at Tata Click's website. I love the fact that they have curated such amazing brands from national and some international brands, and it's a great platform to just buy whatever you like at the click, and it's so easy. And the plus, I need to mention one thing, that the shipping is within 24 hours, so double thumbs up for that. So we ran an interesting contest with my handle on my Instagram and Twitter in association with Tata Click for the Brand Slam Sale, where we asked my readers to come up with exciting looks from any of the brands that they like on Tata Click's website, and we picked out one special winner whose look, the curated look, we really loved, and we thought it was so much trendy and so much fun and quirky, just like her. So without any further ado, let me welcome on board Manal, who is our winner for the day. So here she is, and let's see if she likes the makeover that I'm going to do for her, whether she likes or no. So there you go. This is for you, Manal, that I shopped from on Tata Click's website. Now these are pom-pom sandals that I picked up from website.
Right.
This is, since you said you just started working, this is a quirky handbag from High Design, and this is available in one more funky color just on the website of Tata Click, and you can make the most of the sale which is on the Brand Slam Sale. You can hold on to this. And the third one and the last one is a quirky outfit, which is a front slit. Since you said you don't prefer sleeveless, I thought butterfly sleeves would look pretty on you. Yay! And then it comes with palazzo pant with an elastic, the 28 space that you wanted. So now let's see how Manal looks after her makeover. So this is the look that I created for Manal using all the products from Tata Click's website from the Brand Slam Sale, right from her pom-pom footwear by Westside, a beautiful red bag to go with her dress from High Design, and an asymmetrical number by Global Daisy, which has a boat neck and a beautiful front slit pattern along with the palazzos. I love how this look has turned out. What do you think of this look?
I am personally really excited to meet you. So this was one thing off my bucket list, just to meet you. And being styled by you, and the look is so me. So I'm just so glad that you picked out something which I personally really love. I would have picked it out myself. So
and it fit her so well. What do you think, right? And I'm so happy that you like the looks, and I'm so happy that it fit her so well. So when I was picking up these products from Brand Slam Sale, Tata Click's website, I had one thing in mind, that since she mentioned that she just started out her job, I picked out products which are versatile and which can be used mixed and matched in other looks as well. So double thumbs up to the Brand Slam Sale by Tata Click, and you guys should definitely check it out. Bye guys!